Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you one trick on how to factor this type of trinomials where the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. As in this case you can see 12x squared plus 13x plus 3, right? So how are we supposed to factor this? From what we've learned in high school, we can solve this by quadratic formula. We can solve this equation, find the solutions, and by finding solutions we can factor this equation. But here's the trick. I can bet my house no one taught you this in high school, okay? This simple trick simplifies everything, and I bet you won't struggle with these type of trinomials again in your life. So how are we going to do this? You see the 12, right? You see the 12. We're going to multiply this 12 by the c, right, which is 3 in our case. We'll get the x squared plus 13x, and here you have plus 36, okay? And this one is easy because this one we can see by Viet theorem. Okay, so how are we going to factor this? By Viet theorem, we have to find the two solutions for this quadratic equation such that the product of these two numbers is going to be 36, and the sum of these two numbers is going to be minus 13, okay? So those numbers are going to be, so what we have potentially, right, 36, from factors of 36, we have 12 and 3, right? So that the sum of these make 15. Even if we take like minus 12 minus 3, we get minus 15, but we need minus 13. Then what we have say minus 18 minus 2, then the sum of these two is minus 20. Then we have minus 9 and minus 4, and the sum of minus 4 and minus 9 makes minus 13, so the minus 9 and minus 4 therefore are the solutions for this equation. You put x plus 9 multiplied by x plus 4. So that's how we factored this equation, right? But now what's left? We had the 12, right? So what we're going to do now is that we're going to divide these numbers by the coefficient that we multiplied the c by, that is the 12. So we're going to have x plus 9 divided by 12 and multiplied by x plus 4 over 12, okay? So it's going to be x plus, so it's going to be 3 over 4, and this is going to be x plus 1 over 3, okay? And here, what we're going to do next, right? First of all, these are the solutions for this equation. So the x1 and x2 are equal to minus 3 over 4 and minus 1 over 3, okay? But these are the solutions for this equation. And now what we're going to do, we're going to put this 4 over here, right? From the denominator, right? From this, the number from the denominator, we're going to put it as the coefficient of x. So we're going to have 4x plus 3. And then we're going to have, we put the 3 here, and we're going to get the 3x plus 1, okay? Bam, that's it. That's basically, this is it. We factored this equation, we factored this trinomial, we got the 4x plus 3 multiplied by 3x plus 1. And let's see how and why it works, right? So basically, let's say we have the normal quadratic equation, right? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, okay? What is the solution for this equation? By quadratic formula, okay? By quadratic formula, x is going to be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac is going to be divided by 2a, okay? It's going to be divided by 2a. So now then, we're going to have another equation. We're going to have x squared. This x is different, by the way. We're going to have x squared plus bx plus ac we're going to have equals 0. Just like we did here, we multiplied this a by the c, right? So we're going to have this one over here. So the solution, the quadratic solution for this equation is going to be x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus and divided by 2. Okay, the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So we're going to have divided by 2. Okay, when we look at these two solutions, right, the numerators are basically the same thing. The only thing that that differs over here is the denominator. So you see here we have 2 and here we have 2a. So basically this x is equal to x divided by a, and this is exactly why this works. And yeah, that's basically it. Here was the simple trick on how to factor such trinomials. I hope it helped you. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to push the like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you soon in the next video. Bye.